Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to continue our operational settings in the C2100 terminal. We've got a 9980 windrower here, and we'll start a video where we're working on the settings in the cab. So another thing that you can do here, after you have those figured out how you want to have your buttons customized, is if you press this wrench button here, you end up where you have multiple operators, right? And you can add another operator just by pressing the plus button, and then it gives you a screen to go through and add another one. But what you can do is you can name these for your different crops. So you can put in your roll pressure settings, you can put your joystick settings in there, you can get everything all set up exactly how you like to operate it for alfalfa. And then basically what you do is you come and you touch the alfalfa one, and it will set everything accordingly when you go to alfalfa. You can see that over on this screen. You pick the one that you want, it sets it to that, and away you go. So you can customize your buttons, you can customize all your settings, and then you can save it as per crops and per operators. So you have multiple different ways. It basically just gives you the ability to get in. You can see where we did a test and we changed it, and now it's changed to the test, and away you go. So you know, you don't have to remember all that stuff from year to year. You can save it in there under multiple names, and it gives you that ability to remember, especially as you get older, like some of us seems to happen to. So hopefully that helps you out. If you have any questions, make sure that you give one of us a call. We can probably work through it with you. Thanks for watching.